Vehicle Monthly Consumption Report. Diesel monthly ton tracks the monthly diesel consumption in tons per vehicle. This report is essential for monitoring fuel usage, managing costs, and optimizing vehicle efficiency across different branches. Purpose. This report helps in tracking fuel consumption trends in tons for each vehicle, monitoring operational costs based on fuel usage, optimizing vehicle efficiency across different locations, supporting strategic decision-making for vehicle allocation. Key features. Export to Excel. Download the report for record-keeping and analysis. Vehicle type selection. Use a drop-down menu to filter by own or hire vehicles. Branch-wise report. View diesel consumption per vehicle in each branch. Show entries. Adjust the number of records displayed per page for easier navigation. Search functionality. Quickly find specific vehicles, branches, or vehicle codes. Monthly data, April, March. Displays diesel consumption per vehicle from April to March. Blank cells indicate no recorded consumption. Table structure. Branch. Vehicle name. Vehicle code, vehicle type. April to March. Example interpretation. Toyota Innovate the Mumbai branch recorded diesel consumption ranging from 0.4 to 0.9 tons per month. Crawler at the Chennai branch has dash entries, indicating no recorded usage. Click on the Export to Excel button at the top of the report. The report will be downloaded as an Excel file for further analysis. Vehicle Maintenance Alert feature helps track upcoming and overdue vehicle maintenance tasks. This system ensures timely servicing, oil changes, and inspections, preventing breakdowns and extending vehicle longevity. Purpose of the alert. This system highlights vehicles needing urgent maintenance, tracks vehicle hours/kilometers for scheduled servicing, reduces downtime by anticipating service needs. Layout of the maintenance alert screen. For each vehicle, vehicle code unique identifier assigned to the vehicle. Vehicle name example, water tanker. Vehicle number registration or unique vehicle identifier. Details clickable link to view full maintenance history. Alerts indicates upcoming or overdue maintenance needs. Navigation instructions. Viewing maintenance alerts. The main screen displays vehicles needing maintenance. Click Details to see the full maintenance history. Search functionality. Use the search bar to find a specific vehicle by code, name, or number. Entries display. Adjust the number of records per page for easier navigation. Vehicle maintenance. Details screen. Vehicle code, vehicle's unique ID. Vehicle type. Vehicle name. Description type of maintenance task, e.g., engine oil change. Oil grade example, 15W40 engine oil. Last changed HR/km, last service milestone in hours/kilometers. Service HR/km interval for next service, e.g., every 5,000 kilometers. Next service cumulative HR/km, next due service milestone. Current cum HR/km, current vehicle reading, updated with usage. Remaining HR/km distance/time left before next service. Alerts notifies when service is due soon or overdue. Benefits of the maintenance alert system. Prevents unexpected breakdowns. Extends vehicle life by ensuring timely servicing. Reduces operational downtime. Improves fuel efficiency and performance. Tracks servicing history for compliance and audits. The periodic entry renewal alert system helps track, prevent overdue maintenance, and ensure vehicle efficiency by providing timely alerts for upcoming and overdue maintenance tasks. Key features. Track maintenance. Monitors periodic maintenance status for vehicles and equipment. Prevent overdue maintenance. Sends alerts when service is approaching or overdue. Ensure efficiency. Helps avoid breakdowns by keeping vehicles in optimal condition. Understanding the columns. Vehicle code unique identifier for the vehicle or equipment. Description maintenance task required. Last changed HR/KM last recorded service in cumulative hours or kilometers. Next service cumulative HR/KM the next due service milestone in hours or kilometers. Current HR/KM the current vehicle/equipment usage in hours or kilometers. Remaining HR/KM the remaining time before next service. Negative values mean overdue. Alerts highlights overdue maintenance tasks needing urgent action. How to use the periodic entry renewal alert. Log in. Go to the periodic entry renewal alert module from the main menu. View maintenance alerts. The table lists vehicles and equipment with maintenance details. Focus on entries where remaining HR/KM is negative, overdue maintenance. Interpret alerts. If a maintenance task is overdue, prioritize scheduling the task. If a task has positive remaining HR/KM, there is still time before service is due. Search and filter. Use the search bar to find a specific vehicle or maintenance task. Adjust the number of records displayed using the Show Entries dropdown. Take action. Schedule overdue maintenance tasks to the concerned team or contractor. Update the system after performing maintenance to reset the alerts.